I was looking for a college that had like a small little population of students, and the professors were more guided towards the students, and you weren't necessarily a number in the classroom more than the professor knew you by your name. My name is Zander Mack. I am from Radcliffe, Kentucky, and my major is media production and journalism. So one of the cool things that I've been able to do while studying my major here at Morehead State University was being able to work with News Center. It teaches you everything. So not just the job that you're doing, but everything around that. So you know how to work the news desk, you know how to work the cameras, you know how to go out and get a story and then edit it on the same day and have it ready for that news blog. What I enjoyed most about the research I was able to do here at Morehead State University was being able to go and just listen to others talk about their culture and where they come from and how they even have similarities to the Appalachian region culture here in Eastern Kentucky was just an experience for me that I really did enjoy. I have taken advantage of a lot of resources and opportunities here on campus. One of those resources is student support services, and they are here just to kind of make sure that the students are on the right track in their academic career in college. So if you need any like school supplies, any books, or even a laptop just to kind of help you do some of your assignments, they have those materials there for you, and they're also just there to support you if you need somebody to talk to. So when I'm not pursuing things academically, what I like to do during my free time here on campus is I love to write poetry. That is something that brings me peace, and I like to go to Eagle Lake, and I just love to sit there for a couple of hours and listen to some music and write some poetry. So I've had so much hands-on experience being the lead on my own fellowship here, and even working with News Center. Having all that hands-on experience can really kind of guide me to be successful in becoming a professional news anchor and journalist.